Hello my friends, it's John Goreham here from Torque News. Today what we're going to do is we're going to check out some tires and we're going to determine using visual inspection when they need to be replaced. So the first thing I want to point out is that if you look at a tire, any model, any brand, it doesn't matter which, there's going to be tread wear indicators in the tire's treads. You can hardly see them here because of the lighting, but these are basically a tread block that goes across all the treads, and when your tread gets down to the tire wear indicator, you know that the tire is at 2 millimeters and needs to be replaced. So if your tread is uneven across, that is also an indicator of premature wear and you may want to replace. But if at any point your tire tread gets down to the tread wear indicator, you need to replace those tires. Now that's not the only way to check out a tire. What else you want to do is you want to look at the full area of the sidewall and make sure that there's no punctures, no scrapes, no cracking, particularly in this area. This is where the cracking usually begins in an older tire. Here, and then in the middle of the treads, you can sometimes see cracking on older tires. If you see anything like that, that tire needs to be replaced. Now, of course, we don't want to do that with just one tire, but you want to walk around and do that with all four. And also take a good look at each of the tires. See if there's any stones or any perhaps metal objects that are embedded. Obviously that is something that you want to address before you get a flat. How old can a tire be and still be usable? After 5 years you're on borrowed time, but if you park primarily indoors it can be longer. We would suggest that you ask your mechanic to look at the date code on the tire during a service. Just make sure that the tires are not approaching 8 or 10 years old. If they are, replace those tires, regardless of what they appear to look like. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to Torque News.